Looking for a small gift for that special crocheter in your life? I'm going to share with you a few creative, useful, and budget-friendly gifts that any crocheter would love. And it's not yarn or hooks. Let's get to it. First up, here's a heart-shaped mini measuring tape for measuring your amigurumis and projects. There are centimeters on one side, and flip it around for the inches. You can retract it with a push of a button in the middle. And this was only $1.51, so super cheap, but super useful. Here's a mini knitting scissors set. It comes with a protective case and storage. It's only $3.39, and look how tiny it is. It has some really delightful details. The little protective case has a yarn ball in the shape of a heart. These scissors can just be brought on the go, and you can use it to snip off yarn ends or fasten off your projects. It can even be attached to a keychain, and I love that it has a little yarn ball charm at the end. Next up, I have these cute little tins. The first one here is a black magnetic needle box. I love that there's a magnet inside. It keeps your needles stuck on, and you won't have to worry about them popping out when you open up the tin. Having the window is also quite nice because you can peek at your little yarn needles inside. Now this larger tin is also a great choice. It's a silver window tin box, and I can fit my larger yarn needles in there. As you can see, it doesn't have a magnet, but it'd be great for putting in other little accessories, such as buttons, plastic safety eyes, and more. And here I have a set of floral nail art stickers. There's actually so many different beautiful designs to choose from. They're made for nails, but I got them so I could decorate the mini tins and other crochet notions. Let's take a look at how it turned out. Last but not least, I also wanted to add that plastic safety eyes are always great to stock up on for amigurumi makers. I got this pack of 50 16mm eyes for just $1.79. I'm using them for my new collection of faux fur snugglers. Here's the otter that I'm designing, and it's the perfect size.